Hi, this is Chris from Moog Music, and we're here at Superbooth 2024, and we're showing off SPECTRAVOX, which is our new semi-modular analog spectral processor. It's a 10-band fixed filter bank, and with this fixed filter bank, we can start to filter out sound, in this case the onboard carrier oscillator and white noise generator. So if we start turning up some of these bands here, we'll start to hear how the fixed filter bank affects our sound. And the interesting thing about SPECTRAVOX is that unlike most fixed filter banks, we have this spectral shift control which moves all 10 filters up and down the frequency range. So especially if we increase the resonance and fold in some LFO, we get really psychedelic, swirling tones, phaser tones. Basically, this is acting kind of as like a comb filter, and so we can really color any external sound. We can also plug in an external sound, in this case, the DFAM, which is a drum machine. And if we plug that into the carrier input, then we basically can start to use the SPECTRAVOX filters to color, in this case, DFAM. Take frequencies away, put them back in. We can also, instead of running DFAM through the filter bank, we can run it into the secondary filter bank, the analysis filter bank, and vocode the SPECTRAVOX oscillator with DFAM by switching the mode switch to vocoder. Now we have the DFAM. We're not hearing the DFAM directly, but we're mapping its spectral characteristics on to the onboard oscillator. We can also vocode with our voice, with a microphone, and move the filters up and down, adjust the frequency bands, do all that kind of thing. And, you know, back to using DFAM. So those are some of the main things you can do with SPECTRAVOX. We can also go back to filter bank mode and use DFAM to ping all the filters. In this case, we now have these marimba-like tones, and we can edit the overtones. Move the filters up and down. And we can also sequence them by modulating the spectral shift parameter. And we can also modulate any of these bands, for example, with some of these oscillators. So yeah, those are some of the things you can do with SPECTRAVOX, and yeah, it's out now. It's $5.99 US and €6.99 euros, and it's available at your local dealer, and yeah, go check it out. Thanks.